Hey, it's Mrs. Golding. I'm back. Maybe you discovered some things on your own after I shared just ever so briefly this really cool triangle right here. So speed is equal to distance divided by time, distance over time, right? So I'm wondering if we could figure out how fast Juliana is going. Well, we do have a couple pieces of information right here that are complete enough to help us. So if you notice right here, I know that in 2 hours, remember our time is in hours, she went 6 miles. She went 6 miles. That's shown here by this point that is graphed, and it's right here. It's this ordered pair 2 comma 6, right? So if this is true, remember the y here, this y right here is the distance, and the x is the time. So distance divided by time. What's 6 divided by 2? 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that tells me that she is traveling at a speed, right? A speed of 3 miles per hour. Okay, so I'm going to go right into Desmos. This is the actual Desmos site that you can visit for free on your phone as an app or on the computer. Super helpful. So I'm actually going to come in here. You just told me that if she was able to walk 6 miles in 2 hours, she then at that same rate or that same speed will be able to go 3 miles, right here, 3 miles in 1 hour, correct? So I could then use that speed equals distance over time to work on this right here. If I know this distance of 12, right? If I know the distance is 12, right? And I want to find and I know the speed is 3, and I want to find the time, right? Well, distance right here is equal to speed times time. Distance is equal to speed times time, right? No vinculum here. Think of this line as a multiplication. So here, back in my spot, I have the distance of 12, a speed of 3, and a time that we do not know, right? So 3 times what is 12? That would be 4, right? So now I can plot this, and I'm going to zoom out so that you can see it. So there's this point right here. After 4 hours, she's able to walk 12 miles. After after 5 hours, how many miles will she be able to walk at the same rate or the same speed of 3 miles per hour, right? Well, if I know this, right, is my time, and I go back here, I know my time and I know my speed, right? Time times speed of 3 equals my distance. So this distance is going to be 15. Well, with that same process, we can answer the last question that was given to us. I'm going to zoom out a little bit more so we can see it. After 7 hours, right? 7 hours, how far is she able to walk at that same speed? Well, we're going to go back to our little triangle here, right? So we know our speed is consistent. That's 3. And my time is what we're looking for, right? Nope, sorry, my distance is what we're looking for. The time is given as 7 hours, right? So 7 times 3, 7 times 3 is 21, right? So we would expect that after 7 hours, Juliana would be able to travel 21 miles. And there's that point, right? It's right there, plotted based upon this table of values. My independent variable is time. My dependent variable is distance. And we have answered that whole question. Fabulous job, guys. Hope you're having a great day. Keep trying new things and having some fun. Talk to you soon.